Hey guys, Tahita here looking an absolute mess as usual. I know all 12 of y'all that watch my vlogs are like, she always look a hot mess, but thank you for rocking with me nonetheless. Anyways, I am about to get my day started. I'm about to jump in the shower. Of course, I don't even know if I said this. Welcome to another weekend vlog. I am doing these vlogs with intention now. So it's not just, oh crap, I forgot to pick y'all up. I'm really trying to show you guys and take you through my day consistently and make an effort to show you all parts of my day. Anyways, I'm just here, I'm here hanging out with Lola Baby in the formal part of the living room. Just got done taking down Christmas decorations, hence the base there. My fireplace mantle is looking extremely just empty. The holidays is over, like officially. I was supposed to do some beauty content today because your girl, in true Tahita fashion, accidentally deleted footage of the beginning of my beauty video. So I was doing a first impression on this primer, foundation, and powder. And so the primer and foundation application portion of my video completely kaput, just deleted. So I was debating with myself whether or not I should start all over, but I might just try to see if there's a way that I can make it work. Other than that, I have to plan out content. I have to clean, so I'm gonna pretty much show you guys what I'm doing. Just cleaning, writing out content, and then I do have to run to the store and the gas station because I need tortillas. I'm making, we call them fried tacos in Belize, but you guys might know them as taquitos. So I am gonna be doing that. I need to go get my tortillas, and I don't really think I need anything else, but yeah, I'm gonna go do that. Yeah, so I'll take you guys with, I will check in with you guys when I'm out the shower because I need to go get myself looking halfway decent. So let's go in the shower. All right, y'all, so I am finally out of the house with all this dang on snow from our snowstorm last night. It is 29 degrees, so it's not too cold, but stuff is starting to get slippery, so we just salted the sidewalks. Like I said, I have a couple errands to run, so I'm running to Target and I'm running to get gas because I have about 30 miles worth of gas in my car, which is less than a quarter, and the temperatures are about to drop to like I think 19 or 18 degrees or something like that. It's gonna be really low. So I just gotta go get some gas, fill my tank so that I'm okay to start my car on Monday, because guess who has to work on MLK? Guys, I just got back from Target and the gas station. It was a really quick trip, and I didn't vlog because I didn't have a list, and Lord knows that if I can't concentrate, I would have forgot half the stuff I actually went there for. But I'm back now. I did find something very interesting in Target. They have like a black section. It sounds weird, but I'm gonna insert a picture because I did take a picture of one of the displays. It's for Black History Month, and I thought that was really cool, that they had an entire section devoted to, I think they had like books by Black authors, clothes designed specifically for Black history or by a Black designer. I thought that was so amazing. So I actually feel good spending my dollar there, just because they acknowledge that we're great. So yeah, I just wanted to put that in there. Like I said, I should have a picture up on screen so that you can see what I'm talking about, but I think it's really cool. If I am able, or if I end up going back to Target for some reason tomorrow or during the week, I'll try to get an actual some actual footage of the displays. So yeah, anyways, about to make myself a little drink. I am about to make some Bacardi in pineapple juice or mixed juice. Nonetheless, I'm Caribbean, so rum it is. Then I'm gonna start cleaning up my living room and work my way back to the kitchen. So living room, dining room, kitchen, so that I could start dinner and tidy up back here. And then I'll tackle my room either tonight or tomorrow. Y'all, so this is one of the first gifts I've ever gotten from the hubby. Randomly told him one day I've always wanted to have a record player, and so of course he gets it for me for Christmas. And he gets me a Purple Rain on vinyl, and I'll open that up in a second, to play on my record player. So I'm about to hook it up because I don't keep it out, so it's very rare that I play it. But since I'm cleaning in the den area and I'm about to start the formal living room, I gotta vacuum out that couch just because I don't even know if you guys can see, but it has like glitter and all types of stuff on it because when I was taking down the tree, we were putting the ornaments on that couch. So yeah, I gotta vacuum it out. And I want a little Prince playing in the background. So I'm about to set this up and then I'll show you guys when it's up. All right, so, wow, I haven't played this in so long. Let me go ahead and get my record out. So it came in this, isn't this super cute? Like I thought this was, Lola, hush. I thought this was super cute. And the ever so precious vinyl itself. All right, now let me see. This is side one. Which side do I want to start with? Let's start with side one, and we'll just let it play. Yeah, I'll just start with side one. All right, so let's turn it on. All right, now. I'm just gonna blast it, and I'm gonna tackle over here. Hey y'all, so Alexa pause. I was supposed to be in the kitchen cleaning, but instead I'm cooking. I'm actually heating up my oil for my wings and my oil for my fish because both my mother-in-law and my father-in-law is vegetarian. My mother-in-law doesn't really eat chicken wings. So I'm heating up the oil for them to fry them some fish, and then I'm heating up this for us for wings. But of course I mix myself a drink because I need a drink. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. Just waiting for the fish to defrost. I already started with my batter for the chicken, and then the fish batter is actually store-bought, so I don't have to do anything for the fish. Just waiting for that to defrost. So yeah. Hey guys, so I literally just made it to, I cleaned the living room and made dinner. That's pretty much it because I ended up making dinner for my in-laws on top of dinner for the fam. So typically, well not typically, tonight I'm looking for my Fire Stick remote. I had it in my pocket at one point, but it's no longer in my pocket and I don't know where I set it down at. Anyways, oh there it is. Tonight I made wings, fried chicken wings and fries for the fam, but my mother-in-law does not eat chicken wings, and my father-in-law is a pescatarian. So what I did was I fried perch and cod for them on top of frying chicken wings on top of making fries for everyone. So I didn't even get a chance to go to the dining room, because if you've watched any of my previous vlogs, I think I've mentioned how my mother-in-law doesn't really eat late. She eats before 7 o'clock. So try to get stuff done as quickly as possible for her. And yeah, so that's what I did after cleaning the formal living room and the den. Now I am just sitting back with Lola baby. Hey Lola. Hey Lola. I'm just sitting back with her, and I might listen to Florence and the Machine for another 15 minutes, and then I'll probably try to find something to watch and wind down with. So still drinking my little rum cocktail, pineapple juice and grenadine, and I might mix it to my tropical mixture, or I might change it to my tropical mixture in a minute. But yeah, that's all that's going on. I'll check with you guys later. Good morning, beautiful people. It is Sunday. We're just getting ready to go to breakfast, so let's head out in just a sec. We'll catch up with y'all later. Oh, wow. Wow. So that's what we were doing while we were gone, Lola? So that's what we were doing. Come here, Lola. Come here. All right, guys. I think I ended up, I think the last time I checked in, I found out that my dog ate a pack of Sour Patch Kids. So I was so shocked by that I ended up having to stop recording so that I could clean that up. I ended up just cleaning a little bit more. So I think last night I left off cleaning the den and the living room. So when I was done cleaning the Sour Patch Kids, I did the dining room and the hall. And then when I do dinner, I'm gonna do the kitchen as I'm cooking. So, yeah, right now I'm gonna do some editing, and then I have to come up with, I'm giving myself like 10 items that I would probably get for inventory for Lavish Closet, which is the new business venture that I'm doing with one of my best friends. Also, I'm always looking for more stuff to add to Glam 501. If you don't know about Glam 501, I will leave it down in the description box. Definitely hit the link, check it out. Let me know what you guys think. Just my new baby, my second baby, I guess, after Beauty and the Kinks, the blog. Glam 501 is kind of like my one-stop shop for anything glam. So with that being said, let me put my record player up, because when I was doing the living room, when I was in the dining room, I did take this out. So let me put that up. Lola, shut it. She doesn't like that I'm going to the basement without her. Oh, so I was just at like 33%, and now my battery is exhausted. Why isn't the automatic light coming on? Anyways, I'm about to take my clothes out the dryer and fold them as they come out. All right, guys, so wait a minute. All right, so I am just editing this video for this weekend's vlog. Then I'm going to be working on Glam 501. Let me go to Glam 501, because I think I mentioned it in this vlog, but I don't know if I've ever actually like shown you guys what Glam 501 is. So we have different pieces up there. I think I may have explained earlier this vlog that some of the pieces, like it's not a full-blown boutique. This is not a boutique website. This is kind of a one-stop shop for glam. So I have skincare things, I have jewelry, I have threads, I have all different types of stuff that you could possibly use. Like if you know that you're planning an event or whatever and you want to find an outfit and grab some jewelry, if you want to add some skincare products to your makeup routine or to your skincare routine, you can come here. I'll be having, I'll also have hair care products really soon. So right now on the site, all I have is skincare tools, but I will be having skincare products really soon. And then I will be having, before the year is up, I will be having, I'll have hair care products. Can't talk. Anyway, so I'm actually about to vet inventory for 501 Glamorous Threads and see if there are any items that I want to add for spring. It's been kind of tough because the vendors that I have access to, it's just so many things. And like I said, this is not a full-blown boutique. I want what's the word that I'm trying to, staple. I'm looking for a few staple pieces, maybe definitely no more than 10 and probably no less than 5, but at least 5 staple pieces that you can come and purchase if you'd like. So Glam 501, definitely check it out when you get time and let me know what you guys think. Hey guys, so I've been doing some work for Beauty and the Kinks for Glam 501. I don't know why I'm holding the camera at this angle. Anyways, I've been doing some work for Beauty and the Kinks and Glam 501. I'm about to do some work for Lavish Closet now. Trying to get myself out of this funk. I don't know if it's because I'm watching a video of this, like it's a family vlog where this couple had their baby, and I don't know if it's because I'm like having baby fever and I'm like, I want that to be me. And then I'm thinking about the fact that my dad, never got a chance to meet my future kids. Like stuff like that pretty much haunts you when you lose someone that close to you. Like you think of all types of stuff like, oh well, who's gonna walk me down the aisle, So I'm kind of, like I said, I'm kind of in a funk. I'm gonna try to shake it off though and just focus on business, because at the end of the day, I gotta get through it. So yeah. After I'm done with work for Lavish Closet and Glamorous Threads for Glam 501, I am probably gonna hit the sack. So good night, and until next vlog, bye.